Welcome to my mini vlog, a day in my life going to Bohol. So from Cebu, magka-travel po tayo to Bohol to attend an event through Oceanjet. So kasama ko po isa sa mga maestro or teacher in profession pero ginagawa itong business opportunity ng part-time. I'm Kay Nana and I'm a legit affiliate of Lean and Green. Ito po yung loob ng Oceanjet. At mula sa kinaupuan natin dahil morning kami nagbiyahe, tanaw po ang sunrise at ang kagandahan ng karagatan. At tanaw din po ang bridge dito sa Cebu, isang magandang bridge and sobrang guided po tayo. Sobrang saya gawin itong business. Nakakapag-travel ka na, meron ka pang additional income. At syempre, when we arrive, kami po ay nag-breakfast with Lean and Green Coffee. Itong kape na to is nakakatulong po to energize and detox ang ating katawan. Give us healthy body with this herbal coffee. Ayan, kaon po tayo with my co-leaders. I-share ko sa next video yung naging event namin. Ayan, share ko lang din yung business class ng Oceanjet. Mas comfortable and mostly nakasabay namin nung nag-business class kami is mga tourist. I hope itry mo din tong business opportunity namin and thank you for watching. God bless!